Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Shopify video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add product reviews by using one of the easiest and simplest app. And the good thing about this app is that you can also add the reviews completely for free. So make sure to watch the complete video where I'll show you guys how you can add product reviews to your Shopify store in a very easy way. Now, one other thing which you should know that it is really important to have product reviews if you want to boost your sale, because having a proof and having a social validation is one of the important factor which help you boost your sales. So make sure to watch the complete video where I'm going to show you guys how you can use Trusto.io product reviews app. Okay guys, so as you can see, they have a free plan available, and if I scroll down on the pricing page, you can see that we can send 50 order requests. Orders request meaning that if someone buy the product from your store, the app will automatically send the review request, and if customer adds the review, it will be updated on your product page automatically. And this is going to be for 50 orders request in the free tier. We can import 20 reviews per product, and we can show 6 reviews per product on the free tier. And we also have the discount code feature, meaning if this app is sending the request to add reviews, it is going to incentivize the user that if you add the reviews, you are going to get 15% discount or whatever the percentage of discount which you will set in the app setting. This is a really good feature to motivate the user to add more reviews, which will eventually lead to more sales. Okay, so without any delay, let's add into our development store this app, and we will test it out how we can add the product reviews. So that is my development store, guys, which I'll be using in this example. And I have already installed the app. And first, I'm going to show you guys how you can basically enable that on your theme. So as you can see, once you install that, you will have a screen looking like this. And all you have to do is just click on Enable Now, which will take it to the theme editor where you will need to enable or activate the app. Okay guys, you can see that it is now enabled, and I am going to hit save now. Perfect. Let's go back to the app, and you can see that we have activated our app. Now we will go to our widget part. So that's the widget, and we have already activated our review widget. So that is how it is going to look like. We have different layouts. One is the professional one, and one is this streamlined version. Currently, we do not have any reviews on our store, so it is just going to show the blank review widget. But I am also going to add some reviews in order to show you guys how it's going to basically look like. Currently, it is not showing up, but let's add in some reviews. But before adding the reviews, I'm going to show you all of the settings in this app and how you can basically change the stuff if you want to. Here we have different star styles. It's also going to show you on the display. If we do that, you can see that it's changing the reviews. Here we also have to change the sorting if we want to display the newest review on the top, if we want to show the photo review on the top, if we want to show the highest rating or lowest rating on the top. It is going to basically sort this as per our requirement. Here we have the number of reviews. If we want to display the number of reviews, so here we have this number of reviews. We can enable and disable that. We have the option to write a review button. So it's all the customization feature which you can do. You can change the colors. You can change the layout for the reviews area. So there are a ton of functionality which you will be getting completely for free in order to start with this app. And once you see the value, you can move to the paid tier if you want to. Here we have the Q&A widget, which we can also add to our product page. So you can see that we have this question option showing up, which will show up that what are your visitor is basically asking about the product. And here we have some of the settings for sorting or how you want to basically view the Q&A widget to your product page. Here we have the star rating. So it will basically show up below the product title. And I'm going to show you guys how we will basically import the product reviews and show these star rating on the product page. So let's take a look at some settings of this. It will also show up on the collection pages. We can also enable and disable that from home page. And we have the option of custom CSS. So if you are a developer and if you want to change some of the styling which is not available in the app settings, you can just add in the custom settings, or you can contact the support, which is really responsive, and you can directly contact them and ask for help for whatever help you need with the app settings. Again, here we have this write a review form, which will open up when someone clicks the write a review button. That is how it is going to look like. Here we have the option to basically restrict them. In order to add the review, they must be logged in, or only customers with previous orders can add reviews. And here we have the option to remove powered by TrustStore. Click to unlock this feature for free. So we will need to contact them in order to remove powered by TrustStore.io, which is also completely free. You don't have to move to the paid tier in order to remove powered by TrustStore.io, which is going to show on all of the widget of the reviews. Again, we have all of these settings where we can change the colors and stuff. Let's move on to the cart carousel and let's see what's that. So here is basically the widget which we can add on home page or product page. This is a sort of slider which will list all of your product reviews. You can see here it is going to display all of the reviews as per your store. And they have different type of cart carousels. So that's the text carousel, which is going to show only the text version of the reviews. And this one is the image plus text carousel. It is also going to show the image. And this is the photo carousel, which will show the photo with the reviews as well and the videos as well, which you can see here. Right? Here we have our testimonials. So that's a testimonial style layout. And now let's move on to the store reviews tab. So this we can add on the home page, and we can basically add a block. I'm going to show you how you can add that on the home page, and it is going to display all of the reviews of your store. Here we have the option of review snippet. And then we have referrals. So we can also this on the order page, which will basically give us this option to get discount feature. And finally, we have the checkout page where you can see it is giving you this badge once the order is completed or once you reach on the checkout page. You'll have to enable all of these features one by one. So go to checkout, then enable referrals, then enable all of that stuff, right? And now let's go to manage reviews to see what are the settings we have. Here are all of the reviews which we have on our store gonna show up. And here is the collect reviews tab where we have settings for all of the reviews collection. So that is for the automatic review request, which I discussed with you guys here. So these are the 50 order requests on this setting here, which is telling you that how long it's gonna. So once the order is completed, it is automatically going to send the email to add the review. And that's the timing which we can set if you want to change the review request timing to 20 days, 5 days, or whatever you want. And you can see that after the fulfillment is completed, it is going to ask the customer to add in the review of your store. And here we have the option to customize those templates. So that's for the review request, and that's for the review request reminder if someone does not add the review on that defined time frame which we have on the top. And if I click on customize, that is how the email will look like. So it will have this star widget showing up, and when someone click on this star rating, it will take them to the review page where it will have a submit option where they can submit the review. There's the text which we can edit or all of the stuff for the customization. Pretty simple customization, anyone can do that easily. Here we have the option of review discount, meaning we will be incentivizing our users to add reviews on our store, and in return we will be giving them additional discount. So that you can see we have setting here, it is going to automatically generate the discount code and give this amount off. and this discount code never expired. You can change the setting here, or you can change the percentage if you want to. You can change the discount type to be percentage or fixed amount, whatever you want to add in. But that is really important feature to incentivize your user to add in more reviews. And once you have a lot of reviews, obviously it will not be difficult for any new users to make a decision on buying product from your store. Again, these are the settings for auto reviews, and here we have the option of manage new reviews. So it will basically add in the moderation for the new reviews, or if you want to auto publish the reviews, it is going to only publish 5-star reviews. Other than that, it will go into the moderation. Here we have the option to exclude specific products. If you don't want to receive reviews for some of the products, you can basically add those products here, though that are exempt for sending review requests. Those products will not send automated review requests to customers if you add those products here. Okay, here we have sync past orders. Here we have the request link for the QR code. So it will basically create a QR code for you to send to your customer in order to add in the review. That is also a really cool feature. So we'll just click on generate QR code, and it will generate a QR code which you can send via WhatsApp or any other medium in order to add in the review for your product. Okay, let's now go to import reviews. And now I am going to import few of the reviews on my product to show you guys how it is going to look on the product page. So here we have the option. I already have the Excel file downloaded. So that is our template, which I am going to import. Here is the product handle. I'm going to change the product handle to be my products. So let's go to product and find out the product handle. So let's add in review to these two products, right? I'm going to open these two products and copy my product handle. So that is my product handle. I'm going to copy that product handle to my Excel file, to the CSV file, and do the same for this product here. Copying the handle and then pasting the handle here. Perfect. After doing that, I'm going to save the file. And let's now import these reviews to my store. Okay, import reviews. Okay, 2 reviews have been imported. One is for this product. So let's see how it looks. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, this one worked. You can see that we have the review showing up here. The image is not showing up because we added the dummy image on the CSV file, which is not basically working. So you can change the photo URL to be whatever you want to. I think for this one, we didn't add the correct handle. I think that is the issue. Color blocking shorts. Okay, so this is due to that the rating is 3 and the auto publishing setting which we have set it in the app is set to be that anything less than 5-star rating will be held for moderation. So let's see if we have the review for moderation. Manage reviews. And here you can see that this one was also got imported, but it didn't publish because in our settings, we have set it that it is going to automatically publish only 5-star reviews, right? So let's enable that as well. And now I am going to enable the stars, which shows up below the product title. So for that, we will go back to widgets. And here we have our star rating. So it is already enabled, but I guess we will need to add into our product page. So let's do that. I'm going to go to my theme customize settings and add it to my product. So I'm using the latest Horizon theme, which has been released recently in Shopify Summer Edition 2025. and we are adding our stars on our product page using trusto.io product review app. Okay, here we have our title, and I am simply gonna add a new block here. Apps, and here we have our star rating widget. Let's add in that, and where it is showing up. Okay, it is not going to show up here because we don't have reviews on this product. So I'm gonna navigate to the product where we have the reviews. So this one. Okay, below the price here. So that's our price. If I click on this here, you can see that it's highlighted here. I'm gonna add the block below the price to display the reviews. So click on this blue color button to add block, go to apps, and then here click on star rating widget. And you can see that our star rating widget is showing up now. So that's how you can add the star ratings below the product title, and you have the review widget already showing up, right? And one other really important thing which I wanted to discuss before I end the video is this integration part, meaning you can import. So the first thing is that if we go to import reviews, we also have the option to import the product reviews directly from AliExpress, right? And in the integration part, we have this Google review snippet, which is basically display the review snippet on the Google search. And how the review snippet looks like, let me tell you the difference between the normal product page and the product page with the review snippet in the Google search. So let's suppose I search for round neck t-shirt, and you can see these are the two results which we have showing up, right? So this one is with the snippet. You can see the review and you can see the pricing here, and this one is without the snippet. Obviously, there is a higher chance that the whoever is searching for the product is going to click on the product which is with the reviews and with the pricing showing up. So that's the review snippet which it will show to the Google search once you enable that. So all you have to do is just click on enable, and it is going to display your product review snippet with this stars which are showing up on the Google search. That is really important to boost the visibility in Google search as well. Other than that, they have these different integration with Google Shopping, with Shopify Flow, with Shop, Omnisend. So Omnisend is coming soon, but all of these platforms can also be integrated with this app. And here we have settings, a lot of different settings which you can go through. We have different languages in our store, so you can see that you can use this app on multiple languages as well. So a really cool app with a lot of features, initially completely free to use. So make sure to try that out. Link of the app will be in the description, or you can simply Google trusto.io. That's it for the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any specific questions related to the app, about installation, about displaying widget, or anything related to trusto.io. Would love to create a follow-up video if I get enough comments and likes. Until next video, have a great day.